Hi there. Let's talk about our Gearing Toward the Cloud SAP Qualified Partner Package solution. First, let me tell you about VistaView Solutions. We have U.S. headquarters in Houston, Texas, and corporate headquarters in Calgary, Alberta, plus representation in major metropolitan areas throughout the USA. We have many customers across North America, over 4,000 users and systems that process billions of dollars in annual transactions. Now that you know more about us, let's talk about Gearing Toward the Cloud SAP Qualified Partner Package solution. First, let's take a look at the industry-specific pain points within industrial machinery and components. High productivity and profitability, more flexibility, increased international competition, the demand for high safety standards, and the need to leverage technologies for competitive edge. With these pain points in mind, we bring to market a cloud solution for industrial machinery and components companies that aid manufacturing companies with digital transformation, decrease supply chain costs, increase ability to innovate, improve operational efficiencies, and has cloud security and scalability. SAP Business ByDesign gives fast, growing mid-market businesses the cloud ERP platform to turn growth potential into real results. The end-to-end business suite unifies all core functions, bringing together powerful analytics and best business processes, fine-tuned using SAP expertise. The package offering also enables a Tier 2 cloud-based solution for large enterprise SAP solutions. This means large enterprise subsidiaries can rapidly and affordably implement an ERP solution that communicates back to headquarters. According to this recent study by Aberdeen Group, the trend is that companies are now starting to see the value of moving to cloud-based computing. 80% of best-in-class organizations manage their ERP solution through the cloud or direct hosting through their ERP provider. SAP Business ByDesign runs in more than 130 countries worldwide and is localized in 10+ languages. Ideal solution for mid-sized businesses with between 250 and 1,500 employees. Average implementation time between 8 to 12 weeks. More than 10 years experience of delivering ERP in the cloud. At VistaView, we have staff specializations in supply chain and inventory management, production and operations planning, material resources planning, master production scheduling, capacity and demand planning, distribution requirements planning, and warehouse management. Looking for your business to run great? It's our mission. If this sounds like a solution made for your organization, contact me for VistaView's Gearing Toward the Cloud SAP Partner Package solution.